Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm in Leona, Texas. That is in between, let's say Centerville and Huntsville. No, let's do Centerville and Madisonville. That's where that's in between. And it's had a nice little lunch here. Had a Texas dip. Oh my God, it's so good. I always try to stop here when I'm going back and forth between Houston and Dallas Fort Worth area. Anyway, I'm just sitting here letting the rain lighten up before I continue on. Catch you on the road.